give back to community a bit. Okay, we are live on YouTube with its ugly filter. XLM is requested. Okay, they have liked the live. Thank you for liking. Your prediction about XRP. It's pretty much the same what I posted yesterday. Not anything different. I miss update on your cat. Thank you, Nino. This is Squirrel. My cat is doing fantastic, and I think now his all ribs have recovered fully. His lung had already recovered, so his lung injury is gone. His ribs injury is fixed, and now he's as bad as he was before. Oh, the other one is sitting there. You see that orange thing? This one? For you guys on YouTube, it's this one. That's one of my cats. They really like this. I think I should make one more in the window. Anyway, so let's make it like this. Okay, YouTube is done. So cat is all good. Sunny says, hey Shah, how are you, man? Thank you. Someone at least is asking about me. Hello from Philippines, Shah. Hello, the good dad. Good to see you. AMB, I'll do it after XLM. Well, Zakar says hello. How you put subs on to TikTok videos? Thanks. When you say subs, I assume you're talking about subtitles. I'm using a software, an app called Blink. Okay, AMB, I'll put AMB. So I could do multitasking, and then I will leave early, by the way. Today I will leave in 21 minutes. I'll give you guys only half an hour. That's the maximum today I can afford. Otherwise, I wouldn't come. This is not the Blink. This is my camera. What the hell? Where is Blink? I can search it for you. I'll show you what am I using for this. I have it on my two mobile phones. Both are right now busy. The one phone is for YouTube, one is for TikTok. So I'm holding this thing in my hand. Yeah, this one. This is how it looks like. Thank you, Nilavi. You're back with your gifts. This is the one that I'm using for my subtitles. It's very unique. It's not as good as CapCut. CapCut is super amazing app. I'm paying annually to them as well, but I'm paying them as well. I like the subtitles the way they are in here, so I'm using them. But apart from that, CapCut is really nice as well. Thank you, RS. Good to see you. Okay. Link price prediction. It's pretty much the same as past. Let's start with XLM. Okay. Where the hell is XLM? Okay, so XLM is rising. This is 4 hours chart. Okay. And yeah, this is a very clear-cut, easy case scenario. So your support is at 12 cents. Your resistance is at 13.4. And it is right now in the middle, which is a place that you should not take any position in. And this is how it looks like. So it's in the middle. This is the support. This is the resistance. It's riding up this channel. Generally, these channels, they break down, which means that the probability of XLM breaking down is around 70-80% in comparison to going up. But still, if you want to see if it would continue, every time its support should rise. So even if I don't tell you, you should know that every time it should stay above this support that I've mentioned because it's going up, right? So eventually this resistance should turn into support as well. And this will continue until it breaks down. Eventually it's going to break down. This structure cannot just continue like that forever. So that is there. Okay. Now we had a request of AMB. Very, very dirty structure at a 4 hour. Wow. Thank you, RS. So it's a very unreliable structure. It's in the middle on top of it. So the support is at 0.009. Its resistance is at 0.01. And it's sitting in the middle at 0.094. I wouldn't trade this thing. It moves so rapidly. And it is actually hitting back and forth both the resistance. Thank you, RS. Both the resistance and the support. So it's almost not tradable if you use it with thank you guys for the gifts, Holy and Future. Thank you, RS. Almost not tradable because of this closed gap. So I wouldn't trust it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, guys. Why so much gifting? Thank you, Nilavi, for all the gifts and RS. Okay, I flipped the switch. Which switch? My lights? Thank you, Nilavi. That is a lot of gifts. Who is it? Oh, it's my cat. He came down. Okay. Paul Stacy says, evening. XRP, please. Shahab Rashid, you got to be kidding me. I'm going to kill you. My own guy is now sitting there and making fun. I'll still do it. I'll still do it. XRP never hurts. There's always someone who wants XRP. I'm going to make a video anyway. He's just pulling my leg, sitting there. XRP, please. Okay, I'll stretch it too far with that joke. Could you please look at API 3? Yes, I can. Why not? Why not? And thank you guys for the gifts. If I missed some, I was just looking at the charts. So XRP is moving sideways after the correction, if you look at it. And I think it's just because it's waiting for the news. I have seen this kind of pattern generally sometimes before the news as well with BTC. Like if there is a FOMC meeting, PPI, CPI, all those newses that are coming out, you usually this kind of structure. And I think this is because today is 8th, the Dubai swell thing. And then on the 9th, there is another thing about XRP. There's this promise of settlement. So I think pretty much the price wants to move sideways. And then maybe it will start pumping up or maybe dumping down. We will see what the news is. I lost 200 coins the other day. Don't talk about XRP. Why would you lose 200 coins? Will Cardano hit $1? $11, for the love of God. Oh my God. $11. Let me check. It is too much, but let me check. How are we dreaming this thing? Oh, because it has done a $3 max, so that's why I'm thinking of $11. Oh no. Actually, there's a way of comparing this thing in my Telegram. So in my Telegram, I have a bot, which is a technical analyst. You can ask him about the dates, events, news, and everything in relation to crypto. You can ask him to make graphs for you. There's another thing that you can do is that you can ask him this comparison, like BTC, where it's sitting right now. If XRP comes to this point, what will be the price of XRP? You know, that kind of complicated thing. So you can do the similar for, what is this thing, ADA. Let me just find that question. There's a way, I think it's called compare. Yes, it's called compare. So what you do is that you type this. So you type slash, then you type comp, then you give space, okay? And then you give space, then you do BTC, I think, and space ADA, and then you enter. I hope, yes. So compare market caps, BTC with a market cap of ADA. I have to do it the other way around. Okay, now I'll do it with ADA. So comp, ADA, BTC. I'll do an XRP because it's always the exciting one. So yeah, so this is the answer. So for $11, you see, the bot is saying that if ADA collects the amount of money that Bitcoin has right now, ADA will be sitting at $19. Okay, so for $11, you can imagine how much money you need, right? So let's do one for XRP. So we do comp. We type XRP first, and then we write BTC, and then it will tell us that what will be the XRP's price. So XRP will be sitting at 12.92. If XRP becomes as big as Bitcoin is right now, then XRP price will be $13. So It is a fantastic tool if you know how to use it. Like if you write, I mean, I will make a separate video on it. I made one video. I was almost, deadly in sleep. It was 6 a.m. So I'll make another one. Let's look at questions. Okay. What's your Telegram username? I don't have a Telegram username. That is what scammers are using. Please do be very careful with it. I have a community on Telegram. It has 7,600 members. So don't fall for it. It's called Crypto News Media. It's better to click on my profile rather than searching it. In crypto, don't do searches. Searches can hurt you. Searching for coins, searching for Telegram communities, people, it is always very dangerous if you don't have an address. Okay, Shabir Ahmad says OMG update. Okay, I thought it's a reaction of oh my god, that kind of a thing, but no. OMG. Okay, OMG is there. I did an XRP, Paul Stacy. When I text you the other morning. Oh, okay. When you text me the other morning. Okay, could you look at API 3? Yeah, I have to do API 3. API 3 after this, okay. You froze. Oh, I'm sorry for that. How much is XRP prediction? I just did one for you. God's path. Settlement tomorrow, do you think? I don't know. I mean, if it depends. If SEC is looking for money, then this is more of a, what do you call it? Gangsters approach. Go and hold people through their collars and then take money from them and move. If they're actually trying to make a point and they're actually trying to fix the system, then they should not settle. They should take it to the courts and then they should basically look for an approach of punishment. I'm talking from the sides of SEC, if they are thinking that way. Why do something for 3 to 5 years and then settle? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, do you think XRP go up this year more than $1? If they win the case, you are looking at $2. It depends what happens with the SEC. The only problem XRP right now for people, I have separate issues. I have fundamental issues because XRP is making less money than me. So I have separate issues with XRP. But what people have in their mind and they're looking at it, they are not investing just because of the fact they are stuck because of the SEC case. Once the SEC case is settled, then it will be a very bullish news. It will break above $1. It will rally towards $2. And then when the bull run comes, it will rally towards $5 as a max. Okay, what do you think about Quant? XRP, XDC, Quant, great financial opportunities. I have a mentorship, so I have people who do studies. I basically teach how to do research. So they go through white papers, so they have a scoring system. Everyone does it in a different way. We come up with it through different mechanism. One guy, he is a PhD. He's in Germany, I think. Yeah, he's in Germany. So he created a system. He did a scoring system. Under his scoring system, Link rated better at 8.6 out of 10 in comparison to Quant at 7.6. What we identified through white paper of Quant was that they have a privacy and security issue. That's why its rating was low. So they have a weak privacy system and weak system in their contract, not the English contract, the technical coded contract. They have a problem in that, and that's why it had a lower rating. So he was surprised because he was super bullish on Quant. He said that he talked about someone, Calvin. He said he was listening to him and Calvin was always talking about him. He was really disappointed after reading about it. So, I mean, that's the whole point of reading white papers. You get to understand projects very well. Otherwise, you will be listening to influencers like me sitting here and talking bullshit. You go there and you read and you understand it better. Why listen to me? Who am I? Ripple should pay the settlement in XRP. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. I have seen this happening to so many projects. Like in shitcoin, it's a very common phenomena. They used to do it a lot. Later on, of course, they had to stop. They would pay the marketers on TikTok, the influencers and other people in their own coin. And the moment these people they will receive, they will sell. So all the charts used to dump just because of the marketers. And then, the community started asking that for the love of God, stop paying them in the tokens. These people, they don't hold, they sell. And why would you hold? You are an influencer, you sell, you take your money, you move out. Cut your nails. Okay, Golden Heart, I'll do that. But, okay, I'll do that. I mean, I generally keep them a bit bigger. I have a health reason for it, but that's okay. How do you think Solana will go up? Please, can you tell me? Solana will go up. I mean, the maximum I have given is $54. So look at that video and pretty much follow that. Okay. Gifter badge, what do you think of Quant? I've made a comment. Okay. Hey, buddy. Hey, Rapid Network. Mihai Mane XRP price prediction. I've already discussed this. XRP to 80 cents, inshallah. Okay, inshallah, why not? I mean, that's the max, why not? Twix says, hello, Shah. Hi, Twix, good to see you. Santa Pumpkin Latte, it's holy shit. That is a funny name. Okay, what do you think XRP peaks if they announce settlement? Okay, I've discussed this. What do you think about XLM? I've covered that already. If you missed, it's on YouTube. You can watch that over there. Mustache from Nirlavi Ilyash. Which crypto are you talking? I'm talking about every crypto that is requested. I don't publicize one crypto project or any crypto project. I don't come here and tell you that, buy this project, it's good. All projects are good. It's a no-brainer. Buy any crypto. In bull run, every crypto will go up. It's as it's as stupid as that. The thing is that people always try to look for that one that will do a lot of X's, and that is pretty much of an attempt of winning lottery. You either make it or you don't make it. And instead of that, there's so many better ways of doing it. And of course, I do recommend every now and then. Like I wrote a very long article on Solana. If I could find it, let me show you. But of course, that was the time when I thought it was important to see. So this is January 2, 2nd of January. And I shared a lot of analysis, basically statistical data of Solana. And I mentioned that why you should buy it. Okay, it was this long article that I wrote on Solana. And this part of Solana, YouTubers cannot see it. So if you read this paragraph, I'll read it for you. So as you see, Solana is far from dead, but I'm not telling you that, just like you shouldn't be listening to the emotional CT on duty, but you should find your bottom price and start collecting. It will be difficult to find an ideal price target. Do your research and do what is right. It certainly has nothing to do with either FTX or Terra Luna in terms of collapse, as I've heard from someone. People were basically bashing Solana that it dropped all the way towards $8 or $9. And that was the time I came out and I wrote this long article. And I, told everyone that, please look at the data. Don't look at the bullshit of, because people on TikTok, they are bullish when things are bullish. They get bearish when things are bearish. They don't look at the data, and this was basically the data. So this is basically data of L1 developers on all of these blockchains. This is Ethereum, father of everyone. This is Solana. Okay, you can see how many people are using Solana, and of course, Ethereum is used by everyone on this planet. And then you have Polygon, then you have Avalanche. Avalanche moved pretty much up. It was not there before, but they made good progress. Then you look at other statistics, and I've posted this in Telegram as well yesterday. I mean, now it's useless, it's gone, it's not January, but I was not on TikTok in January. I created TikTok account on 19th of June when I got sick and tired of Facebook, and I didn't receive much reach because Facebook reach is dead. Over here, you guys are fantastic. It's always awesome to come here and talk, make videos. It keeps me excited. I make 5 bloody videos a day just because of the fact that I know that you guys are really, really good when it comes to engagement and stuff. Of course, there are haters out there, but generally speaking, you all are awesome. So, and of course, I'm live on YouTube as well. And when I requested you guys to follow me on YouTube, on that day, 300 people followed me. I didn't give a link or anything. I just said, go and search me, and you guys did it. That shows, the quality of audience in comparison to other platforms I've used. I mean, I have 600,000 followers on Facebook. I have wasted, I don't know, 2-3 years on Facebook for no reason. And still no one knows me there. I mean, they followed, but that is total crap. Facebook kills your reach. Like some days, my views on a video are 1,000. Then like once in 3 months, the video reach improved, and then I have 30,000, 40,000 views on each video, and then it drops. I mean, I was sick of it. Anyway, OMG is here. So OMG is close to its resistance, which is 64 cents, 64.7, and its support is at 61. And it's sitting very, very close to its resistance. So if the resistance holds, then you should expect OMG to drop. But like I mentioned with the other coin, which was AMB, OMG is also a very dirty chart. This is 4-hour candle, and in 4 hours, this thing is basically hitting both the top and bottom. You don't want to trade a project like this that is so concise or stuck somewhere. Okay, this is my cat. Choshu. Oh, Choshu. He wants attention. Okay, so this is a reverse triangle. And what happens with the reverse triangle? It's going up, so it breaks down. Yeah, okay. So this is API 3. It is right now stuck in this triangle structure. Of course, you can expect it to go further up, but eventually, generally what happens with this structure is it drops down. So if I have to give you a target, I will give you a resistance. Your resistance is at 1.578. It should not break that, and then it should start dropping. So API 3, 13, 3, it's API 3. It should actually start moving down. So right now it's far from its resistance. It's sitting at 1.54. But you will expect it to go up there and then start dropping unless it decides to break below it. For a confirmation, you should look at 1.53. If it breaks below 1.53, it would have confirmed that it is broken out of this structure, and then it's going to be a sayonara case scenario. Okay, 8 minutes to go. No, 7 minutes to go. Okay, I have 7 minutes. Okay, what crypto are you talking, please? Okay, this is done. OMG is done. Nearly a heart given. Hi sir, do you think Sol and Link will fall to 35 and 9 respectively? Link should hold. Link has not done anything magical yet. Yes, $12 target was achieved, but I have another target for it that is 18. That thing should do something for the first time in its life. So Link performance is due. Everyone has done their performance. Even Ethereum did it by going to 1900, right? So everyone has done it. Cardano outdid itself, They're not, the big boys or the hyped projects. They are not hyped projects. No one watches my Ethereum videos, which means people don't like it. People don't like it, right? But Link, it should do well. Solana should hold. Solana should hold $37, if I correctly remember. That is the support. If that breaks, then that doesn't mean it will not be bullish. It's just that the hopes of 54 will be gone. Then your target will change back to $43. It was 43, right? Yeah, I think it was 43. What do you think about XLM? I think I covered XLM. If you missed it, my team timestamps my videos as well on YouTube. You can go to YouTube. They are sitting there alone, 4 people together. So you can go and watch it there. Any update on SHIB? I can get a SHIB done for you if you want analysis. If you want news, that's a separate question. 99 comments, my God. What is XRP peak? That is answered. let's talk about XRP. That is done. Quant is done. Looks like you own multiple cats. Yeah, I have 2 cats. This one name is Shiro, and the other one is called Gara. Shiro is from an anime called Shinchan. Gara is from Naruto, if you have watched it. Time to buy more. How much XRP do you hold? 0. I don't hold any crypto. No, I don't hold any altcoins. Let's say it like that. Sir, are you Malaysian people? I don't know, maybe genetically yes, but I'm from Afghanistan. Bro, you have too much gastritis. Yes, I do. I have a severe case of gastritis, chronic actually. I take 40 mg of omeprazole, and it's still worse because of my eating habits. I sleep late, I eat at irregular patterns. I eat spicy food, oily food, which I should not eat, and I have a swollen stomach, bigger stomach. I had hepatitis C 15 years ago, 15 or 18 years ago. They didn't have medicine at that time. They had injections, which were like chemo. You would lose your hair. It damaged my stomach, of course. It became bigger. It was a 50-50 attempt. Either you get cured or you die with it. So I survived with all these beautiful things left. I am winning in since 40 cents. Awesome, awesome. Where is the XRP update? I'll post it if I get done with this video, with this live. What's your Telegram? It's called Crypto News Media. Very simple name. You can click on my profile, or you can send me a DM. I'll give you the link. How high XRP can go? Do you still feel XRP could see 80 cents? Yes, as long as it is holding its support, it can. Salam brother, walaikum salam, bonjour de Montreal, bonjour. And I don't speak French, but I think I got this one. I have to write a bad review about a hotel that I stayed in Montreal. I always forget. It's been, I don't know, a month. Thanks for reminding me. They charge $300 per night and still a crappy service. A very bad place. What app are you using? Thank you, RS. What app am I? CMC, CoinMarketCap. But if you're seeing me analyzing and that stuff, I'm talking to my teammate. That's called WhatsApp. Ru says, hello, Kat. You broke. Salam, walaikum salam. Do you think we will be back to 43 cents? After November, yes. 43 is far stretched. I would be looking at 48 first. XRP didn't break 48. It did so much drama there. And I was thinking it will break. It didn't. It didn't break. And I was like, wow. It went down, multiple times for a few hours. It came back up. That was, now for me, that is a solid ground for XRP to stand on. And every time when XRP will start dumping, I'll be looking at 48 cents to see what the hell happens there. What's the best scalping strategy from your point? Look at charts at 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes. That is time frame for scalping, and trade the projects that have good movement, like XRP. XRP is very tradable. It always moves, and 1 cent movement in XRP is around 50% of profit on a 25x. So that's crazy. If XRP moves 1%, 1 cent in your favor, you will make a lot of money. Okay. What about gas? Okay, I can get gas done and then I have to go. I have 1.5 minutes left. Gas. Injective, sorry, I cannot take more requests. Are we selling Quant then? Oh, I know, people don't know about this. These things people don't read. They only get to know about these things once the project crashes and fails, like Terra Luna. There was a guy who was screaming about Terra Luna. He was saying that this thing is going to depeg because there is an algorithmic problem. It was an algorithmic pair. It was not backed. You don't need to back everything by something. That was the case with it. And he was screaming. He was nobody. No one cared when it crashed. Then he became famous and everyone was saying that, look, that guy said that. I mean, that is already late. What's the point? So people don't read fundamentals. They don't understand projects. They don't understand they have purchased the disaster. They sit and sleep with it until the disaster happens. Everyone figures it out. Then that is the time they say, oh, that guy said that. Any thoughts on LimeWire? LimeWire, where did I hear this name? It was a software that used to download pirated songs. We used to do piracy with it, I think. But that was 20 years ago, I think, or maybe 15. Can we please have your insight on white crypto? I'm sorry, Satsi Cafe. I'm just on doing gas and then I have to go. I have to go early today. What is your suggestion on GLMR? Do you smoke hajis? I don't smoke anything. I've never tasted a cigarette. I actually owned a restaurant. We had a hookah bar there. I never even tried that part. I've never drank, never smoked. Yeah, the only bad thing I have done or do is watching porn, and even that my friend put me in a bet. It's been 3 months. I have not watched that either. So nothing exciting. I don't do anything exciting. It's all boring shit. Most of the time I'm working, making videos. Now I'm making courses. XXRP going to rally downwards towards 52. 52 is far. Thank you for your videos. Thank you, Chantel. Now I know your name. I used to call you a bro. Hey Shah, how about ADA Cardano? I have posted a video. Please watch that video. Can you talk on Moonbeam? I can't. I'm just waiting for gas. I'm out of time. If you sell your crypto, it's better to sell to USDT or USD. Thank you so much. It's better to sell it to USDT and not even to just USDT. Sell it to FDUSD. There is this new pair that is trusted. USDT has its own problems. CZ had commented about it, I think 1.5 years ago. He had warned people in a very sensible way. He didn't say it up front, but USDT has its own issues. So go to FDUSD. It looks more sensible. And try to put it into multiple crypto projects, but don't go to US dollars. One thing you should keep in mind is that even if US dollar loses its value, it gets devalued. Still, your 1 USDT will be equal to 10 US dollars if it goes that bad. Because crypto doesn't lose value, the rest of the world can lose value. A good example of that, because I see it visually with my eyes, in Pakistan, one American dollar, when you give them one American dollar, I'm just making a simple example to make you understand. These figures are not accurate. They're the price moves, right? So 1 American dollar in Pakistan is for, they will give you 300 Pak rupees. That is their currency. It's called PKR. So they will give you 300 PKR. But if you give them 1 USDT, they will give you 330 PKR. So they will give you more. USDT or crypto stable coins, they always have more value against any other currency that it equals to. So if you're holding something in crypto, it's always beneficial. It's against the system. So when American dollars dies, which will not happen, it will take 40, 50 years to collapse America. It's not that easy as people think. Still, if you think it's going to collapse next year, hold crypto, a stable coin, and nothing will happen to you. Okay, gas is here and then I'm out. Okay, this is not a flag. What the hell is this? Okay. No pattern whatsoever, but I can give you a support and resistance. So the support is at $12, the resistance is at 14, and it's sitting at 13.65. So it's sitting close to its resistance. So what you should expect is that from here it should start dropping towards its support, because that's the whole point of having support and resistance. This is how it looks like visually. If it had been a bit better structure, it could have turned into a bullish flag, which would have indicated it's going to shoot up, but that is not the structure. So bad luck on that part, maybe. Anyway, thank you so much, everyone. I am so sorry there are like over 100 comments I couldn't read. Thank you so much, everyone. I will see you guys tomorrow at 1 p.m. Toronto time. I'll make sure I give you guys 1 hour time. Thank you and bye-bye. I'll end YouTube first.